Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and installation of this Hello Kitty nightlight. I'm super excited to open it up, guys. My niece is going to love it. She loves Hello Kitty. So we're just going to unbox it, see what comes inside, and install the entire nightlight so I can show you how it looks like. Alright guys, so this is everything that came inside. First, we have the Hello Kitty nightlight. So this is what's going to glow. And this is the base. This is what's going to hold the Hello Kitty nightlight. And in the back, guys, it actually requires AA batteries. So it requires 3 AA batteries, as you can see. And it also comes with a USB cable that you're going to have to plug in so the nightlight can turn on. And it comes with its own remote control that you're going to be able to control the nightlight using this remote. Alright guys, and now for installation, it is super easy to do. All you have to do is take out this like manila looking paper in the back of the Hello Kitty nightlight. And all you have to do is just stick it onto the nightlight like this. So it will stick like that, and you can either use the AA batteries, so 3 AA batteries, or you can also use the wall outlet. So in case you don't have any AA batteries and you don't want to use any batteries, all you have to do is just plug it in like this and then plug it into your wall outlet and it will start to turn on. Let me go ahead and show you. Alright guys, so I decided to plug in the Hello Kitty nightlight to the outlet instead of putting in the AA batteries, but you can do either or. After you plug it in, you can turn it on like this, and then you can change it from the 7 colors that it has. So it has 7 different colors like that. So we're just going to leave it at the red. You can also control it with the remote control. Also, the control already comes with the battery, so you don't need any extra batteries. But yeah, guys, that's how the Hello Kitty nightlight looks like. It is super cute. It will make for a perfect gift, especially now that the holidays are coming up. It is a super cute Hello Kitty nightlight, and I would definitely recommend it.